On a small pathway right next to the exit of the Hatkaya train station, the legendary Indian food place Darvesh exists. You are supposed to buy meal tickets to order food with the ticket vending machine in front of the diner. Indian movie soundtracks or dance music is echoing in the diner loudly and leaking out of it a lot. Namaste, this is Koji in an Indian English voice. I'm gonna be having a dinner at an Indian food diner this evening. Yoga Flame. A copy cannot be better than the original. So, you must be original. I am alone in the diner right now, but, in my experience so far, half of their customers are Japanese and the other half are foreigners from all across the world. Just for your information, the chef/staff member speaks one of the Hindi languages, English and a little Japanese. Chichiratri chichina, chichiratri chichina, chichiratri chichina, ahoi. Slurp the spinach curry. Feast on the flesh. Devour the huge naan. Munch the salad. The dough of the naan is elastic, stretchy, resilient and chewy. The size is obviously larger than ones sold in supermarkets in Japan. The naan must have been baked in their tandoor oven. I asked the chef not to apply any dressing or condiment on the salad in advance because I knew sodium of the spinach curry is very ample to satisfy my tongue. The tandoori chicken must have been baked in their tandoor oven as the name tells. Oh, wow, what a! The tandoori chicken is not as hot or spicy at all as it looks, only the flavor of chili remains and a little bit salty. This is tasty, a beast, one of the kings of cooked chickens. To folk style to deal with the Indian food. Now that India has the most population in the world over China's, India is expected to overtake Japan with regard to GDP in 2025. India is going to be the fourth economic giant in the world this year. Om Shanti. Speaking of which, the youngest Prime Minister of the United Kingdom has Indian origin. If I remember correctly, CEO of Google also has Indian origin. Their ancestors found zero. In Japan, somebody might have told you the proverb, Indian does never lie to you, but in the proverb, unfortunately, Indian means the native people in the North American continent. Rather, I have a negative impression of Indian like that most of Indians in India are a chunk of lies. I ordered the sweetest one out of the 4 degrees of hotness of curry, so the spinach curry is sweet and mild, has rich flavor ample for my taste buds to be happy. Needless to say, spinach is healthy. Thank you for watching. Namaste. Yoga Fire.